I created this baby dancing video for a brand who is definitely going to pay me. Now this video is already getting a lot of views on their TikTok and IG pages with engagement too. Now a lot of people have been creating these videos and going viral with them. But how exactly can you monetize a content like this? Because of course, money is very important, and I've heard a lot of people ask this question, especially on Facebook. Now I'm going to be showing you two legit ways you can do this, right? Like make money from this type of content. But first of all, let me show you how this is done, how you can create this video content. Now, the first step is to get on TikTok and search for the trending sound you want to use, as well as the dance steps. So it could be a popular TikTok dancer who is stepping to a trending song. And the next thing you want to do after you have gotten your preferred one is to download the video, okay? However, you want to make sure that the dancer is one, except you want to use two characters, like two avatars, okay? You want to get one dancer or one character who is dancing. Now, after downloading the video, the next thing to do is to create your own avatar. But before then, you also have to split the video if it is too long, because most of the tools that support this motion sync do not allow more than 20 seconds video. Okay, so you can take it to CapCut and then split the video to make it shorter. All right. However, if you want to use this baby dancing avatar as your reference video and image, you can also search and download the one that you like. All right, then you take a screenshot of the image so that you can recreate it using an image generator. So we have the video on ground, and the next step is to generate our image. And to do that, we would use a combination of ChatGPT for our prompting and Nano for image generation. Now I'm going to upload the image we screenshotted into our ChatGPT and then enter the following prompt so that it can create a detailed prompt for us to recreate this image. Now, if you want your avatar to wear a branded t-shirt, you can also prompt it accordingly. Just tell ChatGPT what you want, and it will go on to create the prompt for you. Now, the next step is to copy the prompt and take it into Nano. Okay, so to access Nano is really simple. Simply go to Google and type Nano. It will bring up this search results. Just click on it, and inside of Nano, you're going to be entering the reference image you want to use. And if you also have a logo, you can enter the logo and then paste in your prompt and watch Nano generate your image for you. If the image that is generated is not the output you want, you can keep on regenerating it until you get the exact thing you're looking for. In any case, Nano is actually free, and prompting ChatGPT is also free. All right, then the next step is to create the dancing video. And to do this, we're going to be using Kling AI. So Kling AI is very popular for generating this motion sync videos, and that's what a lot of people are using. Now, Kling AI has a powerful motion sync tool, though it is not free, all right? But if this is something you're going to be using and that can potentially make you money, I mean, $6 isn't much, right? Plus, you'll be able to use other features of this tool, like very realistic video generation for different tasks. Okay, now to get a Kling AI account, you can go to the description of this video and click on the link, and it will take you straight into creating your account. Very, very simple. Okay, now once inside of Kling AI, go to video, tap on motion sync, and enter the video reference as well as the image reference. All right, and the next thing is to scroll to the prompts and describe the action that you want your video to actually have at the end of the day. Even though prompting is optional, but just to be on the safe side, you can just write a simple prompt that says something like replicate the motion and expression of the reference video. All right, then it will show you how much credits it's going to be using to generate the video, and then you can click on generate and then wait for the video to generate. All right, so the video has been generated and I love it. So that's basically how to use Kling AI to generate your motion sync video, right? And I did it on the laptop, but you can equally do it on your mobile phone as well. Now that you know how this is done, there are two ways you can actually make money from these types of videos. Now, the first way is to create your own social media account with these dancing videos as your content style. I mean, people create TikTok accounts, and all they're actually doing is dancing in front of the camera and people are enjoying it, right? Even long after the craze around these baby videos die down, you can switch from using babies to using one avatar across your channel. And the aim of your channel is purely entertainment. People come to watch your AI avatar dance, and as your channel grows, a lot of things can happen to help you make money. You can monetize your account, whether it's on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or even YouTube Shorts, right? You can also start signing endorsement deals with brands, or you can sell a product or service to your teaming community members, or even do all three of them, or any other thing that you feel is going to be bringing money for you, so long as it is legit. Now, the second way you can monetize this is to create them for brands or for individuals who may not know how to do it themselves. All right. Aside from dancing videos, you can also use other amazing features of Kling AI or any other AI tool you decide to use. But I think that for now, Kling AI is my favorite. All right. You can use this tool to create video ads for businesses, right? So we actually do this a lot. Like my company, we run an online advertising agency, and what we do is we run ads for businesses, but we also create highly engaging ad videos for businesses using AI. You can also do that as well and make money from it. Now, if you think of this as a business opportunity rather than just a fun and hype, you will go about searching for free AI tools instead of investing in one that can give you professional results, okay, like Kling AI. So like I said earlier, the link to register for Kling AI is in the description. That's my affiliate link. You can use it to register and get your account. I mean, $6 is honestly not much. $6 converted to Nigerian naira is about 10,000 naira, all right? And that's basically it about how to make money from these trending AI baby dancing videos that everybody is talking about. I hope you've gained value from watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you stay updated on helpful content like this one. And until I come your way next time, it's a bye for now.